Hello. So there is a
Nice.
action going on here.
Yeah, that's perfect.
We
Two
have
of
a bigger
those.
one.
No,
No?
two of these are perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
There is a noodle making section here, and there is a what section are we doing here?
This is cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon roll section.
There you go.
Birthday
for-
cinnamon rolls.
For Kevin. Where's the birthday boy?
Kevin
And the
and
birthday
Uncle.
dog. There,
Yeah.
there's Cotton's birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And Max is the ever faithful
Guard dog. It's guarding us.
what? Party pooper.
No. Say no po, Patsy.
He's a good boy. Hey, see the Jamie?
Yes.
What are we doing now?
Right now, I'm making the caramel pecan sauce.
Oh wow.
You heat up brown sugar and butter and maple syrup, and then you put that in the pan, and then you put the cinnamon rolls on top of it.
Oh wow, wow.
Yeah.
Sounds easy, but
I don't know what she's doing. I don't have a clue.
And how about you, love? What are you doing now?
Well, just cutting all the vegetable for my pancit.
Okay.
Okay.
Pancit.
And
This
I
is
have
what you
already
call
my
the.
Shredded chicken.
This is what you call a Kobe party, birthday party, quarantine,
So quarantine.
stay at home.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's what happened. Then we exercise later.
Yeah, seriously.
Okie dokie.
It's,
Yeah, all good.
yeah.
Cutting my celery. More celery, the more celery, the better.
Oh yeah.
That it tastes yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. And what do you have here?
That's my
Like
Sausage.
Chinese sausage, some
garlic.
onion, garlic, carrots, roast chicken from Albertson,
Celery and my
cabbage.
cabbage. That's it.
All right. And later we're going to
Show you finished product.
Ollie,
We're gonna
Ollie
show you how
and
to
Jamie
make
will cook it.
Yes.
Okay.
These are ready. The sauce is on the bottom. And then you put them in there.
What do you mean bottom? Where is
Here,
it?
show this one.
It's on the bottom, yeah.
Here.
Like this.
There. Okay.
And then you do pecans and put them in there, and they bake. And then when they come out, you flip them
Nice.
out upside down.
Upside down. That's easy. Sounds easy. But
Inside out.
okay, we have a singing chef here.
Just gonna prepare the.
And Kevin and myself are playing video game because we're bored. Tell me.
So, put a little bit of oil and then sesame oil. Okay. And what's this?
Yeah, what is
This
this?
is that's a sausage.
Sausage,
Okay.
okay. What is
Chinese,
that?
Chinese
That's
sausage.
the chicken,
Okay.
the little bit of fatty chicken.
Okay.
Okay. And then we'll put the sausage.
Pork or
This is chicken sausage.
sausage.
Okay. Chicken pork sausage. Okay, then I'm gonna cook that for a few minutes.
Okay.
Okay. This one is your. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So a few
Jamie.
minutes.
You can do this.
I can do this
Yes.
so that Kevin has a long life.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Asian thing. that when it's your
noodles.
birthday, you have to have a long, noodles or spaghetti, whatever pasta, okay? Or carbs.
Okay, what's
Oh,
what's
yes.
happening now?
We got some sizzling going.
Sizzling.
It's cooking.
That sounds right.
Yeah. So far, so good.
Cut
Onions.
the onions,
Okay.
okay? Then you cook that
Saute.
in a few minutes. Oh, love, did you get it?
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
What do you have there now?
We've got sausage, chicken, onions, sesame oil, vegetable oil.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you have there?
Carrots going next. Good to have vegetables.
Easy.
There's a long line in Costco. I was like, no, I'm just gonna buy a chicken. I'm not gonna line up there.
This is from Albertson, right? No Costco.
No Costco today.
Even in the global pandemic, they still have chicken, everybody.
That's true.
Okay, chicken next.
Got it?
Here we go.
Oh, wow, that's easy.
Go.
We just-
Stir that in.
Yum, yum.
Smells good.
Oh my god. That's a lot.
That looks easy, Jamie.
Yeah, I can do this. I can do this.
For a long life.
Yeah.
What else? Okay,
Are you on? Pepper.
the taste.
Yes. And then I have this garlic salt
Oh, garlic salt.
from
okay.
Costco. So we put a little bit the taste. Okay. And
Jamie is going to mix it again.
yes.
Celery.
There you go.
Who is barking outside? Somebody's barking
Maybe.
outside. Now,
Okay, we'll put a little bit of soy sauce. Okay, that's it.
Oh my gosh.
what's the smell like now?
Smells so good. I can't wait.
Smells like Panda Express.
No, it's better than Panda
Yeah,
Express.
it's better.
Okay.
Or a PF
Okay.
stand.
Yeah. Good. Next
There
is
we go.
What is-
chopped cabbage. All of it. So we want a lot of vegetable. Yummy.
Sorry, birthday boy.
There you go. Yep. Okay.
Okay.
Jamie, say anong baon mo?
Okay, hold on. Okay.
Ano?
Ano bound
Baon
mo. Mo. Ano bound mo.
There you go. Good job. Oh. She did it.
What did she say?
What's for lunch?
Ano baon mo? Say it again, Jamie.
Ano bound mo.
Really?
Okay, so this is you're going to.
I'll put a little bit of broth
Okay.
so you will cook your vegetable.
Okay.
Okay, turn this off for now. Okay. So then we will put the broth.
I see.
Okay. Okay. Oh wait, hold on.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Okay, chicken stock is boiling. rice noodles. Here we go.
Yeah.
All tied up like
Yeah.
this. Just put
Yeah.
them in.
Yeah.
Okay.
One
here
at
we
a
go.
time.
One at a time.
Wait, wait, that's
No,
right.
we're gonna remove
gonna
the
cut
string
it later.
Yeah.
That's how it's done, Kevin.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So leave it there for a few minutes, okay?
Sorry.
And then we'll cut the string.
It's mocking me.
Let's cut the string. Okay. You don't want to eat the string.
No, probably not.
Okay. One more. Okay. Now you can make yours.
Yeah, perfect. I'm
Easy.
ready.
Okay.
So what are you? What did you just put? Lucy?
A bit of this.
Okay. Okay.
Chicken base bouillon.
Okay. And what? Oh my goodness. That's the egg noodle. Oh, the rice
Rice noodle.
Right. Sorry. I should
Come
know-
on.
I should know this.
I knew that one.
Sorry. Stand corrected. This is my first video doing this because of Kobe.
Okay.
Yes, this is what we do
So
to
almost
entertain
done?
ourselves. Yeah, I
Let's
think
see.
so.
Oh yeah. Okay, so now let's try the noodles first. That's perfect.
This is perfect.
Okay, now what?
Wait, for plating and
Some good veggies on there. Some good chicken.